So hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you that how to print out the prime numbers between 1 to 100 in C++. So let's start by including the header files. Include iostream.h, that is iostream header file. Next we have include con.io.h. Fine. Now we will use void name, and now our program starts. Use the clear screen function. Now we will specify the keyword int with a variable a. Next we will use the for loop and we will specify the condition as such: a equals 2, because 2 is the least prime number. So we are not starting from a equals 0 or a equals 1, we are starting from a equals 2, as 2 is the lowest prime number. So a equals 2, next condition is a is less than equal to 100, and then plus plus a, that is the increment operator. Now we will specify another nested for loop, that is loop inside a loop, and here we specify the condition as one more thing, that I am going to take two variable in int, that is a comma b. Now in for we specify the condition for b, that b equals to 2. Okay, as I told you the reason before, it is the lowest prime number. And also here is the main thing, that b is less than equal to not 100, it is a. Okay guys, and next condition we have plus plus b using an increment operator. Now in this for loop we are going to use another statement, that is the if statement. The condition we specify for it is a modulus b, a modulus b is equal to 0, then break, it will end this loop, the second loop it will end. So now we close this second loop, move back, moving to the second first loop. Now we specify, we use another if statement with condition when a is purely equal to b. And next we have for this cout a, then in bracket is a prime number. Now guys, I am now going to explain you that how it all happened. So also we give some spacing. You can also use the end line command over here, but I like doing it this way, so it provides us some extra space. So now we close the first for loop, then we put here get ch. Next we close the final bracket. And now what I had done is I had specified two variables as int, that is a and b. Now for the first loop it's very normal, printing out number from 1 to 100, it's just like that. For a equals 2, as I had taken a equal to 2 because 2 is the least prime number, as I told you earlier. Another thing is I had taken a is less than or equal to 100 because our limit is still 100. We want the prime numbers between 100, between 1 and 100, right? So that is why the limit is still 100, that's the range. So, and plus plus a, obviously, as one by one it will keep increasing. Now the main thing to be understood in this program is this second loop, for b equals 2, that is understood how. 2 is the smallest prime number. Now b is less than equal to a. Why? It is because, see, in our the statement, if a modulus b equals to 0, then break, then it will end this loop, right? So if b is less than equal to a, I taken as because if we take for example any number, but any number can be divided by a number which is smaller than it. Okay, it is very clear. Any number can be divided by a number which is smaller than it. Fine. Now if suppose we have a number 5, it cannot be divided by any number except 5 and 1, right? But in case we have 6, it can be divided by 2 as well as 3, 1 and 6. So this 2 and 3 are less than 6, so 6 is getting divided by number which is either equal to it or smaller than it, right? That is why we had mentioned here b is less than or equal to a. Okay, and if b is less than a and it had divided the thing, then obviously it is not a prime number. Like 2 is less than 6, but 2 divides 6 exactly, so then 6 is not a prime number. That is what we mean. It will end the loop, and then for this first loop we have the statement if a equals b. Now if a equals b, then only it will print this cout a. But in case a is not equal to b, that just the example we took now, that if suppose 6 is divisible by 2, then it will break the loop, then it will check that whether a is equal to b. No, 2 is not equal to 6. Okay, then it will cancel it and it won't print, and it will again loop. So likewise it will find the prime numbers. Hope I could make you guys understand. So let's compile it now. Success. Let's run it. As you see, it is a list of prime numbers between 1 to 100. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, put a thumbs up or subscribe, or if you have any queries regarding this program, then put it in the comment box below. Thank you.